The following content is supported by victoris.org.
Okay, let's talk about BMI calculator. So BMI calculator. Okay, so just previously we had this code over here, right? The logic was, you understand logic, right? But now we are turning into website. So let's go back to, click stop, go back to here, click new blank app, material design tree, and follow along. So once again, rename the app to BMI calculator. And drop a title over same steps. Can? Okay, so now, just now was just a button, right? But now we want to take in the numbers input, right? So we actually need to have a, you see this text box over here, drag and drop the text box over. And then under the text box, the placeholder, right, we say enter your height here. Okay, and then we need to also rename this name, this text box 1, to change to text underscore weight. No, sorry, is it height or weight? Oh, it's height. Text underscore height for the height one.
Under name.
Yes. Okay, so you see something like that, right? And with that, you can add a new component, same thing. As that the second one, you change to text underscore weight instead. So one input for height, one input for weight. Okay?
Text box.
Okay.
Okay.
Under here, the text box here, the sixth one, this one. And under the placeholder, you can say enter your weight here. So basically, this one acts as the prompt to tell the user what to enter there. If not, it's just a text box. Then now you add a button under both of them, and you call it button. So you can call the button. Let me see what it's called. The button is called. Oh, it's just button 1. Okay, leave the name as such. And then the text can be calculate BMI. So tell the user that this button would calculate the BMI. Okay, and then now you can, now lastly, add a new, so this is our input button. What do we need? We need an output, right? So you drag and drop another text over. And then label, it'll be, I think it's label underscore answer. Yeah. I need this to be particular because this is basically the variable name that eventually I'll reference. Okay, can. Now click on the button, scroll all the way down. Once again, you see the click events. Click on it, you add a function. You add this highlighted part. Right, can? And now add the following 4 lines of code. So if you see an autocomplete pop up, right, you can press tab to accept the autocomplete. Okay, whenever you're ready, you can press run. Okay, so you press run, you see 2 text fields, right? You enter your height, weight, and when you're ready, you click calculate BMI. If enough luck, it might work in the first try. Does it work?
Where's my weight?
Doesn't appear. You can show me. Appears?
Yeah.
Okay, so whatever if my weight was increased, let's say it's 90 kg instead, BMI, where I click calculate BMI, it will increase. Okay, so let's go through what happens in the code. So once again, you can publish the same thing you publish. So what's going on over here? When we click the button, right, these 4 lines of code is run. Okay, so what does these 4 lines of code do? Previously, we had height equals to input, float input, right? But now, instead of having input, right, we're not asking, we're trying to, this cell.text height dot text is reading from whatever the user entered over here, basically acting as an input. Okay, and likewise, weight, we create a variable called weight equals to float of whatever the user input here. We need a float here because whatever this part that I highlighted, this text is a string, so we need to convert it into a float. So weight and height are variables of the type float. They're decimals. Okay, they hold numbers. And BMI equals to weight divided by height squared. Right? Then this basically is printing out again. Right, your BMI is this. Okay, so with just that, with just 4 lines of code and a bit of drag and drop, we created a BMI calculator. Yeah, understand? Okay, yeah. If not, yeah. So actually, that's all for the first lesson. Do you want a break?
Yes.
Okay, then let's take a break. Rest a bit. Yeah.